What up guys, I'm JW and you're watching a little personal vlog, and if you're actually watching this you should be thankful because a week ago today was the end of the world. So if you're watching this you've realized that it's not the end of the world. But I saw an interview the other day that he is giving, and instead of being a man and admitting, hey, I screwed up, he is coming forward and saying we are now in an invisible apocalypse. I am not really totally sure what that even means. I think if you're going to die, you're going to die, and it's not going to be by something invisible. So he's now decided his calculations were all messed up. It is now going to be October 21st that the world ends. I'm happy because I don't have to buy a Halloween costume now. You know, I would think, now if you know anything about the guy, he's made several predictions before and he's been wrong several times now. So why even people are listening to him to begin with is beyond me. He's going to come out here, and you know what? I don't believe in October 21st is going to be the end of the world. He's going to say, oh crap, I'm wrong. So now come several months, maybe even years later, he's going to say, oh, well, here's another try. Here's another try. Let me give it another shot here. It's going to be this day. I don't even know how this guy does his calculations, because if any of you guys out there are truly Christians, you realize one thing. God says that you're never going to know when the world ends. So I think if you're a pastor or teaching about God's Word, then you should know the world, we're not going to know when the world ends. So this guy's going out here, and he's basically teaching against what God says. Not much of a pastor in my book, but, you know, I don't mean to offend anybody out there. If you support him, continue on with your life, but you're kind of just hanging your mind up on the shelf there. So, in my opinion, this guy's going out and he's making Christians look like fools. Alright? And to those who aren't Christians, you're saying, well, look, there is no God, because if a pastor is screwing up, well, then it shows that there's no God. Not only is he making us look like fools, he's just making more people say, hey, you know what, I don't want to need to deal with this. So, let me know what you think, especially if you're Christian. I definitely want to know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.